Starting with the update from the Supreme Court, which today refused to urgently hear a petition that sought to block the release of the film Udaipur Files Kanhaiya Lal Taylor Murder. The movie, which is set to be released on the 2022 murder of Udaipur-based Taylor Kanhaiya Lal, is scheduled to release on 11th July. To refresh your memory, Kanhaiya Lal, a tailor in Udaipur, was brutally killed in June 2022 allegedly by two men named Mohammad Riaz and Mohammad Gaus, who later posted a chilling video claiming that it was a revenge for his social media post supporting Nupur Sharma, a BJP spokesperson known for controversial remarks about the Prophet Muhammad. This murder case is still under trial. The National Investigation Agency investigated the case and invoked charges under UAPA and the IPC. Mohammad Javed, one of the accused in the case, filed a petition to halt film's release until the trial is over, arguing that it violates his constitutional right to a free and fair trial under Article 21. The plea was mentioned by Advocate Payali before a bench of Justices Sudhanshu Dhulia and Joy Malia Bagchi. Javed, the petitioner, is the 8th accused and is currently facing trial before the special NIA court in Jaipur. But the bench did not grant an urgent hearing. In fact, Justice Dhulia said bluntly, "Let it be released," and directed the counsel to mention the matter before the appropriate bench after the court's reopening on 14th July. The petition argues that the film is communally provocative and that its trailer and promotional materials paint the accused as already guilty. This, the petitioner says, could influence public opinion and ultimately prejudice the court proceedings. Citing Section 6 of the Cinematograph Act, the petition asks the central government to step in and revoke the film's certification, stating that it is necessary in the larger interest of justice. That section, let me tell you, gives the center the power to intervene if a certified film threatens public interest or law and order. Also, in a related update, a petition challenging the release of the film was heard by the Delhi High Court today. The plea filed by Jamaat Ulema-e-Hind President Maulana Arshad Madani and others claims that the film promotes hate speech and could disturb communal harmony. It also questions the Central Board of Film Certification's decision to grant certification to the movie. A division bench of Chief Justice D.K. Upadhyay and Justice Anish Dayal directed the film's producer to arrange a private screening for the counsels representing the petitioners, including senior advocate Kapil Sibal. The direction came after CBFC, through Additional Solicitor General Chetan Sharma, informed the court that all the allegedly offending scenes and dialogues had already been removed from both the film and its trailer before certification. However, Sibal argued that the overall tenor of the film still raises serious concerns and cannot be justified under the garb of free speech if the underlying theme fuels disharmony or targets a particular community. Well, the court has now asked the petitioner's counsel to watch the revised version of the film and return with their observations. The matter will be taken up again tomorrow. Stay tuned.